Hello RoboArmy engineers, welcome back. In the last module, we learned how to safely use a breadboard and glow an LED. Now today, we are going to learn two very important types of circuits that are used everywhere, series circuits and parallel circuits. Now by the end of this lesson, you will understand why home lights never all turn off together. Let's get started. Now before we learn something new, let's revise. We already know how to connect a battery, an LED and a resistor to make an LED glow. But what if we want to connect more than one LED? Today we will learn two different ways to do that. First, let's learn about a series circuit. In a series circuit, components are connected one after another in a single line. The same electric current flows through all LEDs. Now if one LED stops working, the entire circuit stops working. Think of it like a single road. If the road is blocked, nobody can move. Now let's learn about a parallel circuit. Now in a parallel circuit, each LED has its own path to the battery. The current divides into different paths. Now if one LED stops working, the other LEDs continue glowing here. Think of it like two roads going to same place. Even if one road is blocked, you can still reach your destination through the other road. Now let's compare both circuits. Now in a series circuit, one path, LEDs may look dim. If one fails, all go off. In a parallel circuit, it's a multiple paths, LEDs glow brighter and each works independently here. Now that's why parallel circuits are more reliable. Now it's time for a hands-on activity. We will build two circuits on a breadboard, a series circuit and a parallel circuit. Now we will use the same components for both circuits and observe the differences. Now let's look at the components we will use. This is a breadboard. These are two LEDs. Now remember, long leg is a positive and the shorter leg is a negative. There are two 20 ohm resistors. They protect the LEDs. And this is our battery which gives us power. Now part 1. Series circuit. Now, both LEDs are connected one after another in one path. First, connect the battery to the breadboard. Connect the battery's positive wire to the red line of the breadboard. Connect the battery negative wire to the blue line. Now take the first LED. Insert the long leg, the positive one of LED 1 into any row in the middle area. Insert the short leg, that's the negative one, into a different row. Now take the second LED. Connect the short leg of LED 1 to the long leg of LED 2. This is what makes it a series connection. Now electricity flows through LED 1 and then it goes to LED 2. Now we added resistors to protect the LEDs. Connect one resistor from the positive rail, the red line, to the long leg of LED 1. Connect the second resistor from the short leg of LED 2 to the negative rail, that's a blue line. Now switch on the battery. Observe carefully. Both LEDs are glowing, but they look slightly dim. Now if I remove one LED, both LEDs turn off. This is a series circuit. One common path for electricity. If one LED fails, the whole circuit stops working. Now let's learn parallel circuit part 2. Each LED has its own path to the battery. We will use the same power rails. Battery positive stays on the red line, battery negative stays on the blue line. Insert LED 1. The long leg goes to a row connected to the red line using a resistor. The short leg goes to a row connected to the blue line. Now insert LED 2. Again, long leg goes to a row connected to the red line using a resistor. Short leg goes to a row connected to the blue line. Now notice something important here. Both LEDs are connected separately to power here. Now switch on the battery. Both LEDs glow brightly. Now I remove one LED. The other LED is still glowing. This is a parallel circuit. Multiple paths for electricity. Each LED works independently. That's why homes use parallel circuits. Now think, which circuit is safer for homes? Which circuit is brighter? Which circuit will you choose for your robot? These circuits are used in real life. Series circuits are used in fairy lights, some old Christmas lights. Now if one bulb goes out, all go out. Whereas parallel circuits are used in home lights, fans, car headlights. Each device works independently here, very safe and smart. Let's quickly revise. Series circuit, one path, dim light, all off in one flails. Parallel circuit, multiple paths, bright LEDs work independently. That's why our homes use parallel circuits. Congratulations, you have just built two real electronic circuits like an engineer.
RoboArmy. One-stop global community for teens in robotics and AI.